Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to copy the HTML code from any email inside Hubspot. It's pretty simple once you know where everything is. So let's jump right in. All right, first thing, sign in to your HubSpot account and head over to the Marketing Email section. You'll find it under the Marketing tab, then Email. Pretty straightforward. Next, pick the email you want to grab the code from. You can open a draft, a scheduled email, or even something that's already been sent. HubSpot keeps them all in one place. Once the email editor loads, look for the Settings or Actions menu. HubSpot moves it around sometimes, but it's usually in the top right. From there, choose the option that says something like Edit Source Code or HTML. If you're in a drag and drop layout, you may need to switch to Custom HTML mode first. Now you'll see the full HTML for the email. Just select everything, like Control A if you're on Windows or Command A on a Mac, and copy it. That's the raw code you can paste into another platform or edit however you want. And if you want the clean, fully inlined version, the one HubSpot actually sends out, open the email preview, right-click, and choose View Page Source. That gives you the final rendered HTML with all styling included. Super useful if you're moving the email outside HubSpot. And that's it. You've got the full HTML from your HubSpot email, whether it's the editor version or the final delivered version. Hope this helped, and yeah, feel free to check out the other tutorials if you want to dig deeper.